Here, we update replacing the dead battery in a newer model BMW key fob with a fresh one, adding changes to how we handle the new battery. We will use the tip of a very small screwdriver as a tool, and we'll also need a new CR2032 battery. We want to remove a cover on the back of the fob, and the mechanical key needs to come out first for access. Push the release button on the side of the fob, as shown, and pull on the key ring, and we have the mechanical key. The cover is simply snapped away, starting from the top where the mechanical key used to be. Be gentle with the bottom of the cover. The battery is now visible with its markings up, and as noted previously, is a CR2032. Use the tip of the screwdriver to release it. You might want to keep your thumb on the battery, or it could fly off, like so. A new battery slips in easily beneath the two plastic pieces near the bottom of the battery's location, as shown. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful. The battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. You may need to make a final move with a finger and use the cloth to clean it once more. Make sure the markings are up and visible. Look for these two protrusions on the back cover. Slip them into place first beneath the chrome bezel, and snap the remainder of the cap back into place. Return the mechanical key, then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.